Hi everybody. It's getting warmer outside, so we're going to do something today with playing with water outside. And water play is a lot of fun. But before we do that, I just wanted to reintroduce myself because it's been a while. We've been doing this for 2 months, staying at home, not being in school. So let me reintroduce myself. Some of you call me Miss Shelley. Some of you call me Mrs. Dansky. But if you are Mariah, Noah, Gabriel, Camilla, Violet, Cameron, or Tyler, it's still Grandma. So now let's do some water play. I'm going to show you how to paint with water. Look around your house for paintbrushes. I found a whole bunch of different size paintbrushes in my house. They're clean brushes. They haven't been used for paint. So we can use any of these brushes. So I just put some water in a container from my kitchen, and you can paint your house with water. You can also paint the ground with water. You can also paint with other size brushes. Here's another brush, so you can see how that works. There are skinny brushes too. So if you want to write some letters, you can use a skinny brush. So watch this. I'm going to come down here on the steps for this. Watch what I can do. I can make a C. Can you see that? And I can make a V. And I can also make a T. And you can write any letter you want, or you can write your name. So if you use a skinny brush, you can use it for writing, which is fun too. So it's a lot of fun to paint with water, either paint your house or paint your front steps, whatever you would like to do. If you don't have paintbrushes at your house, you probably have some of these. And it's also a lot of fun to use sponges to paint your house. And sometimes sponges make really fun designs. So you can use a sponge for painting with water. And I have a couple of different kinds of sponges, and they have different patterns on them. You can cut up the sponges too, if you'd like to do that. So there are lots of ways you can paint with water outside. But now I'm going to show you how to make a homemade water table, because some of you play with water tables at school. But if you don't have a water table at home, then I'm going to show you how to make one at home. So look around your house for a container that would hold water. And any container will do. And I found some fun ones at my house. I found this big bowl, big plastic bowl, so water can go in there. I found a bin where water can go, sometimes called a dish pan. I also found this, which I thought is really fun. This is an old baby bathtub. And this might be a lot of fun because it has something in it that you can use as a slide. If you put dolls in here, or you put a truck in here, or a car, it can slide down the ramp. So a baby bathtub works really well too. I also found one of these, which is something that you might put ice and drinks in at a party. So this really makes a good water table. So put any of these containers on top of a crate or a step or a box or anything you want to raise it up a little bit, and you have an instant water table at your home. So you can put all kinds of things in your water table. First of all, you need water for sure. And then you can put all kinds of toys in. You can put containers from the kitchen for water play. You can put cups. You can put bowls of different kinds. You can put a little pitcher so that you can pour from the pitcher. You may have these blocks at home that stick together. Those are a lot of fun in the water table. So those are the toys you can add to the water table. And I'm sorry about all the noise in the background. They're building a house around the corner, so we have a lot of noise today. But I hope you can hear me. So now, because we have water in our water table, I thought I would show you the right way to wash your hands. Because we've been told it's very important to wash our hands right now, and there's a special way to wash your hands, the right way to wash your hands. And it takes some time. We've been told, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. And if you want to know why it takes 20 seconds to wash your hands, I'm going to show you the right way to wash your hands, and you'll see why it takes so long. So I have a bar of soap. This is a fun one because it has a fish on it, but you can use a bar of soap, you can use liquid soap, whatever kind of soap you want. And this is how you wash your hands. First, you wet your hands in the water. Then you rub the bar of soap until you get a lot of bubbles and a lot of suds on your hands. So see, I have a lot of bubbles in my hands from the soap. After that, you rub the inside of your hands together. Then you clean the outside of your hands. Then you rub your fingers together and do it a few different ways. So scrub in between your fingers. Then you clean each finger. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you rub again. And then you're going to clean your nails by rubbing your hand in the little puddle of suds inside your hand. And the same thing on the other side. And then don't forget your wrists. And then you rinse off and dry your hands. And that's why it takes at least 20 seconds to wash your hands. So please have fun with outdoor water play. And also wash your hands frequently because it makes you a superhero. If you wash your hands a lot, you can save people's lives. So you become a superhero. So be a superhero hand washer, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye. Stay well, everyone.